I've had the Dremel as my first rotary power tool type thing for a while. But drilling, however, has been out of the question for things like drilling through sheet metal. And other things that, like drilling through sheet metal in a computer case and other modding type stuff. So, yeah, latest trip to Walmart where I was only going to get groceries and I wound up getting something else. I love the sparks, though. Yeah, don't use the power drill near any gas leaks or anything. Simple minds are amused by simple things.